We have already discussed about the concept of demand, law of demand, elasticity of demand. So, what is the meaning of change in demand or change in quantity demanded? Is increase in demand and expansion of demand same, or contraction of demand and decrease in demand same? In today's class, we are going to discuss about what is change in demand, what is change in quantity demanded. A change in demand refers to a shift in the entire demand curve, which is caused by a variety of factors like preferences, income, price of substitutes and complements, etc. A change in quantity demanded refers to a movement along the demand curve, which is caused only by change in price. Change in quantity demanded can be measured by the movement of demand curve, while changes in demand are measured by shift in demand curve. The terms change in quantity demanded refers to expansion or contraction of demand. Change in quantity demanded refers to expansion or contraction of demand, while change in demand means increase or decrease in demand. Okay. So first one, expansion and contraction of demand. The variations in quantities demanded of a product with the change in its price, while other factors are at constant, are termed as expansion or contraction of demand. Variations in quantities demanded of a product with change in its price, but other factors are at constant. That is what expansion or contraction of demand. So expansion of demand means quantity demanded is more because of fall in price of a product. However, contraction of demand takes place when the quantity demanded is less due to rise in price of a product. See this graph. When the price changes from OP to OP1, demand moves from OQ to OQ1. This shows expansion of demand. When price changes from OP to OP1, demand moves from OQ to OQ1. This is expansion of demand. Movement of price from OP to OP2 and movement of demand from OQ to OQ2 show the contraction of demand. Next one, increase and decrease in demand. We have already stated that expansion and contraction of demand is happening when quantities demanded of a product changes with change in its price and all other factors are constant. But increase and decrease in demand refers to change in demand due to change in various other factors such as income, changes in consumers' taste and preference, then change in price of related goods, while price factor is kept constant. So increase in demand refers to rise in demand of a product at a given price. Increase and decrease in demand is represented as shift in demand curve. See this graphical representation. In the first figure, you can see the movement from DD to D1 D1. It shows increase in demand with price at OP constant. However, quantity has also increased from OQ to
OQ1. Okay. Next one, see the next figure. Next figure is showing decrease in demand. The movement from D1 to D2 shows decrease in demand. With price at OP, it remains constant. Quantity has also increased from OQ1 to OQ2. So I hope that you understood what is the difference between expansion and contraction of demand and increase and decrease in demand. Expansion and contraction of demand always happens with change in price. But increase and decrease in demand, it refers to change in demand due to changes in various other factors like income, then consumer's taste and preference. Here, price factor is kept constant.